Giloy, Tinospora cordifolia know the key secret powers. First, boosts immunity. Giloy is renowned for its immunomodulatory properties, enhancing the body's natural defense mechanisms. Regular consumption of Giloy juice may help strengthen the immune system, making the body more resilient to infections and diseases. Second, benefits detoxification. Giloy is known for its detoxifying properties. It helps cleanse the blood, liver, and kidneys, eliminating toxins from the body and supporting overall organ function. Third, benefits heart health. Giloy may have a positive impact on heart health by regulating cholesterol levels and maintaining blood pressure. Fourth, benefits antioxidant action. It is rich in antioxidants, which combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. This property aids in preventing cell damage, slowing down aging, and promoting overall well-being. Fifth, benefits anti-inflammatory effects. Giloy possesses anti-inflammatory properties, making it effective in managing various inflammatory conditions like arthritis and gout. It helps alleviate swelling and reduces joint pain. Thank you for watching. Please visit ayurvedicdawa.com for more information.